Today I'm going to be doing a search in Proquest education database. I'm going to be looking for a teaching idea called StoryPath, and I'd like to find out more about what StoryPath is and what it can be used for. So I'm going to start by doing a really basic search in StoryPath. And you can see that there's 18 results, which is good, but as I scroll down I can see that some of them are relevant to education and others aren't. So I'm going to try and make it a little bit more relevant. I think I need to broaden my search first, so I know that StoryPath is sometimes linked to the word storyline, so I'm going to try that as another alternative. Now, as you can see, I've obviously got way too many results here. I think this is because storyline can be used in so many other contexts other than this educational idea. So I'm going to have to narrow my search by making it more relevant. So I'm going to try to add the word social studies, which will help narrow it down to my area that I'm looking for. So first I need to tell the database to do this search first and then add social studies. I'm going to put that in inverted commas so that it searches for the whole term together. This has obviously narrowed my search down quite a lot, which is great, but I think that you're still using storyline in too many different contexts. So I'm going to try and narrow it a bit more by changing this to storyline method, because I know that that is a term that is used more frequently. And when I search for that, I find a lot less results, which is great. And as I look down, I can see teaching, curriculum, education, which makes it a lot more relevant. I think that I can get it even more relevant if I look for searches that articles that have been written in the last few years. So I'm going to go to advanced search. And I'd like to change the date, so I'm going to go to after this date and I'm going to put in the year 2000 so that I only get quite recent searches. And I find that this has narrowed the search again to just 16 results, which is much more useful. One thing I really like about Proquest is these narrowing results at the side here. So just to try and take out some of those extra ones, I'm going to change this. I'm going to exclude newspapers and trade journals because I don't think that's relevant to my search. And I can see 12 results, and as I look down I can see that some of them would be really useful. This in particular, social studies in the young learner. Another one, cross-cultural study of children's construction of social studies. These could be really useful and certainly ones that I could look up in the future. Thank you.